XTOOL first Linux-powered diagnostic tool is small, smart, and super handy. It's a perfect pick for car owners as well as mechanics who need pro-level diagnostic solutions in a compact device.
Worried about compatibility? Don't be. XT50 works with 98% of vehicles, covering 85+ brands and over 10,000 models from the US, Europe, and Asia. Whether it's your daily driver, a hybrid, or an SUV, XT50 has got you covered. With full system diagnostics, XT50 gives you real-time fault codes, live data, ECU info, and system health checks. No more guesswork, just instant, accurate diagnostics to keep your car running smoothly. XT50 isn't just a scanner, it's your go-to repair tool. With 23 dually special functions, you can reset TPMS, do ABS bleeding, program injectors, calibrate batteries, and way more. Whatever the job, XT50's got your back.
Pocket-sized, but beautiful power. XT50 is lightweight, smart, and beautiful convenience, so that you can diagnose your car anytime, anywhere. Ready to upgrade your diagnostic tool? Get yours ready today.